A, B, C, come with me. A, B, C, come with me. Sing and smile. 3. A is apple. Big and bright, red and yummy, what a sight! B, B, B. B is ball, bounce up high. Catch it to the sky. C, C. C is cat, soft and sweet. Tiny paws, happy feet. D, D, D. D is duck, quack, quack, quack. Splashing, splashing, never look back. A, B, C, sing with me. Learning letters, happy we'll be. E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H is here. Learning letters brings us cheer. I, J, K, L today. Dance and sing, hip hooray! Keep singing. M, N, O, and P. Letters are so fun to see. Q, R, S, and T. Come and learn along with me. U to Z. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We're the best. A, B, C, easy as can be. Sing each day, come with me. Great job! You can learn, you can shine. Every letter, every time. A, B, C, come and see. A, B, C, A, B, C. Letters help you and me. A to Z, we all know. Learning helps our minds to grow. Bye-bye, friends.